Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Melan Txa Body Lotion is probably one of the most sought-after skincare solutions for achieving a radiant and even skin tone, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes this product a game-changer for so many. We'll explore its unique formulation, its effectiveness in tackling hyperpigmentation and dark spots, and whether it truly lives up to the hype as a must-have in your body care routine. Get ready to discover if this lotion is the secret weapon you've been searching for to unlock smoother, brighter, and more luminous skin all over your body. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Lipikar AP+MAX Triple Repair Moisturizing Body Cream. Discover the ultimate solution for your dry skin. This cream provides triple repair for lasting comfort and hydration. Formulated with shea butter and niacinamide, it gently soothes and calms very dry, rough, and sensitive skin. This versatile lotion is perfect for both your face and body. Experience relief wherever you need it most. Its gentle formula is designed for the most sensitive skin types. It effectively moisturizes without irritation. Enjoy long-lasting relief from dryness and discomfort. It helps restore the skin's natural barrier. Make it a part of your daily skincare routine. It's the perfect daily moisturizer for maintaining healthy-looking skin. What we like? This is a powerhouse for intense dryness. Its triple repair formula with shea butter and niacinamide deeply nourishes and restores the skin barrier. If you have very dry, rough, or sensitive skin that needs serious comfort and hydration, this is your go-to. What people say? It has a good texture and is easy to apply. The lotion absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. It leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. Number 4. Beautzilla Intimate Area Dark Spot Corrector. Introducing Beautzilla's Intimate Area Dark Spot Corrector. It's designed to address dark spots on sensitive areas like knees, elbows, underarms, and thighs. Experience immediate results with this powerful formula. You'll see a visible difference in the tone and appearance of your skin. Our corrector is formulated to be gentle on your skin while still being highly effective. It works to brighten and even out skin tone. This product is perfect for common areas of concern. Use it to improve the appearance of dark spots on your knees, elbows, underarms, and inner thighs. Achieve brighter, more even-toned skin with confidence. Beautzilla helps you feel more comfortable and radiant in your own skin. The 1.7 fluid ounces size is convenient for regular use. It provides enough product to effectively treat the targeted areas. What we like? Looking for a quick fix for stubborn dark spots? This corrector offers instant results on knees, elbows, underarms, and thighs. If you're seeking to visibly brighten and even out skin tone in specific intimate areas rapidly, this product is designed for you. What people say? It has a good texture and is easy to apply. The lotion absorbs well into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. I noticed a significant improvement in skin brightness and evenness after consistent use. Number 3. Touch Keratosis Pilaris Lotion. Tired of rough, bumpy skin? Our advanced formula is designed to gently exfoliate and reveal smoother, softer skin. Infused with glycolic and salicylic acid, this lotion works to slough away dead skin cells. It also provides essential moisture for a healthy glow. Specifically formulated to target Keratosis pilaris, it helps to reduce the appearance of those stubborn bumps. Experience the difference it can make. Don't just treat the bumps, nourish your skin too. This body lotion delivers lasting hydration without feeling greasy. Get ready to reveal your smoothest, most radiant skin yet. Embrace the confidence that comes with beautifully smooth skin all over. What we like? Tackle rough and bumpy skin with this exfoliating lotion. Its blend of glycolic and salicylic acid works to smooth texture while providing moisture. If you suffer from Keratosis pilaris or generally have bumpy, uneven skin texture, this is an excellent choice for a smoother feel. What people say? It has a nice scent and it is not sticky. It absorbs quickly into the skin and leaves it feeling soft and moisturized. I love that it contains tranexamic acid, which helps to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Number 2. ISDIN Uradin 10 Body Lotion. Experience 24-hour intense hydration with our advanced body lotion. It's designed specifically for dry or very dry skin, providing lasting comfort. Enjoy a non-greasy feel as it absorbs quickly into your skin. This lightweight formula won't leave a sticky residue, making it perfect for daily use. Does your dry skin itch? This moisturizer helps to effectively relieve that discomfort. Feel the soothing difference it makes. Keep your skin moisturized and comfortable all day long. Its powerful formula works to maintain optimal hydration levels. With a generous 13.5 fluid ounces size, you'll have plenty of this effective moisturizer for your daily skincare routine. What we like. Experience long-lasting hydration without the greasy feel. This lotion provides 24-hour intense moisture and effectively relieves dryness-induced itching. If you have dry or very dry skin and prefer a fast-absorbing formula that keeps discomfort at bay all day, consider this option. What people say. This product is amazing. It made my skin so soft and smooth. I love how this lotion absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. The scent is very subtle and pleasant, not overpowering at all. Number 1. ELEMIS Cellutox Active Body Oil. Experience the deeply nourishing power of this active body oil. Its fast-absorbing formula penetrates quickly to moisturize your skin. Infused with essential oils, it works to help relax tired muscles. Feel your skin revitalized and refreshed after each use. Unlock the benefits of carefully selected essential oils. They work in harmony to soothe and rejuvenate your body. Enjoy the convenience of a fast-absorbing massage oil. It leaves your skin feeling soft and supple without any greasy residue. Incorporate this luxurious oil into your daily routine. It's the perfect way to pamper your skin and promote overall well-being. This essential oil blend is designed to revitalize your skin. It helps to restore its natural radiance and youthful appearance. What we like. Indulge in a deeply nourishing and revitalizing experience. This active body oil, infused with essential oils, is perfect for a relaxing massage that also moisturizes. If you're looking to unwind, soothe tired muscles, and deeply nourish your skin, this oil is ideal for a spa-like treatment at home. What people say. This lotion is very moisturizing and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love how this lotion absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The scent is light and pleasant, not overpowering at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.